on Windows, or how to fix limited Wi-Fi connection error on your Windows 10, 8 and 7, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the search, and you have to search for control panel. You have to search for control panel. Now from here you have to click on network and sharing center. Now you have to navigate to the respective Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi gateway. So you just have to click on this. Now from here you just have to go to properties, and from here you just have to click on configure, and from here you just have to move to power management. And here, as you can see, that this is checked, right? Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. You just have to untick this and go for OK, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And if it's not working, then we have method 2. The method 2 is we just have to go here in the search, and you have to search for power and sleep setting. You just have to open this, and from here you just have to move to the right side and click on additional power setting. Now from here on the balance set, you just have to move to the right side a little bit, and you just have to click on change plan setting. Now from here you just have to click on change advanced power setting, and from here you just have to click on wireless adapter setting. You just have to click on this, and you just have to click on this once again, and you have to set settings. You just have to set this up to maximum performance. You have 4 options: maximum performance, low power saving, medium power saving and maximum power saving. So you just have to change this to maximum performance. If it's already there, you don't have to worry. If it's not there, you just have to change this to up and go for apply and go for OK. Then do a restart, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.